Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing, yet again, Thai-Cambodian border runs. This has been a topic of conversation here recently because, well, it's only been here recently that it's been an option. Up until really about a month ago, it was not possible to do a border run, mostly from the eastern part of Thailand, where we were seeing a lot of folks doing that for Cambodia. But that has changed, as we've done a number of videos discussing that. Meanwhile, I got to thinking of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Thai Visa Runs to Laos, Latest Updates. Quoting directly, and I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article, because this video is not really, doesn't really aim to the thrust of that article. Quoting directly, another issue with the Cambodian border is that only organized groups with a tour or visa company are permitted to do the run in a single day. I think this is good information. Quoting further, individuals without an escort arriving at Aranya Pratet or Pong Nam Ron immigration border checkpoints are being told that they must remain several days in Cambodia because their ID details were not sent for scrutiny in advance. The best advice right now is to organize a visa run via an agency which does regular runs and knows the ropes. Yeah, just personal story. I did that for my first year or two here in Thailand, about a year and a half in Thailand. I had a back in the day when you could get them, I had a multi-entry B visa. So the visa sticker validity was for a year, but every time you came in, you got 90 days of status at every entry. And yeah, I would just do border runs over to Cambodia. I kind of like the ride. I'd usually go on like a Sunday. You get in, you're usually in there with, a few other people, half a dozen, depending on how big the vehicle is. You throw on some music, throw in the headphones, and just watch out the window. A few hours up to the border, deal with the border, eat some food. I always thought it was funny to go to the casino up at Poi Pad. I would usually go there, and I always thought that was kind of an interesting little venue. And then you get back in the car and you come back and you got your 90 days. In the case of multi-entry, right now, if you're doing a border run on a visa exempt stamp, you're going to come back in with 45 days. Again, these are, it can be convenient, but bear in mind, it's still not like it was status quo ante-pandemic, and it looks like you got to go through a few extra hoops to just have a convenient sort of one-off hop over the border and then hop right back in the country and get back to where you were. You have to kind of plan that in advance.